My finger has been mistaken for food. It's feeding time, and apparently I smell like and look like a rat. Well, just gonna let her try and eat my finger. She'll probably give up or not. No. Ow. That kinda hurts. Yes, I'm gonna take her off my finger and let her eat. See? Look at her. She's trying to eat my finger. There you go. She pricked me. Doesn't really hurt. Okay. Sorry, I don't have any feeding tongs. I don't know where they went. This is food. You can eat this. There. I'll let you eat. Clean it out. This one. This isn't even considered. You must have been hungry because you mistook my finger for your food. Finger food. Get that rat. Pinkie mice. Mouse, not mice. Eat it. Eat that pinky mouse. Popcorn, you're so funny when you eat. Put your head up. Almost done. Okay, I guess that's all. Just almost done eating. Again, another quick time to eat. Smile for the camera. Or stick your tongue out for the camera. Bye.